Hello everyone, this is Mar, and today I'm going to show you how to rewrite any text using Claude AI so it sounds more like you. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So in case this is your first time using Claude, it is very important that you give it at least 2 to 3 examples of your own tone of voice. You can add maybe an email, a past caption, a past article, anything that you have written before. So Claude naturally starts to understand a little bit of how you write better. After Claude learns to know you a little bit better, you're gonna give it this prompt. Rewrite the following text in my voice, keep the core message, but make it sound like I wrote it. So I give it here like things that I usually do when I write my essays or my articles. I gave it the text and I'm gonna click on enter. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, Claude gave me the text using my tone of voice. And the best part is that I can copy it, rewrite and recheck everything that I need to see, and then I can use it. I hope this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe down below.